G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing, December 7, 2023. This is the US crude oil price update, and today I'll also be covering Brent Crude. So we've got here the weekly, daily and hourly. You can see there all times scales are showing a bearish outlook, with the exception of this bullish divergence, and I'll cover that in a second. First off, on the weekly, you can see there the CCI 400-hour trend indicator is broken to the downside below its moving average. That's a very bearish outlook. The CCI 150-hour divergence indicator is tracking in line with the price, which is what it normally does, with the exception of divergences. So that's also bearish. That's on the weekly. On the daily, again, both of those indicators are pretty much taking a nosedive. We did have a support here at 72.35. That's now changed, and we're going to move that down there to 69.30. There's a fresh support level generated there. But again, no real sign of reversal. That's at the 78% level of that Fibonacci range. Of course, we could always get a reversal at some point, or at least a retrace in the short term, and that's why we're looking now at the hourly. On the hourly, again, you can see there on our last video at that point there, the CCI 150 is actually leveling out, and I still consider that a double bottom on the CCI is still considered a bullish divergence, so long as the other price still declines. So we're going to move that Fibonacci level down to that new support, and we're going to move that target area down to there as well. So if it does bounce from there, we expect at least that minimal target area to be hit. Of course, it could go higher, and if it breaks higher than that 61% level, then we're going to be looking at a potential reversal. But at the moment, taking one day at a time, in this case 1 hour at a time, we're looking at a potential bounce from there as long as this CCI remains above the entry point. If it breaks below that, we're going to invalidate the divergence and move on to new lows. So at the moment, that's the US crude oil price. We've also got Brent Crude, so I'll include that for those of you that are tracking Brent as opposed to the US WTI. You can see here pretty much the same story is unfolding. We've got the weekly is breaking below its moving averages on the CCI 400. On the daily, both the CCI 150, the divergence indicator, no divergence there. The CCI 400, our trend indicator, is still breaking to the downside, no sign of a reversal. On the hourly, similar to the US crude, we've got a support playing out there, and I haven't drawn a support line. I'll do that right now. It's a fresh support at 74.15. And we've got a bullish divergence on the CCI 150 versus the price. And I've already drawn a potential retrace target. That's a minimum target level. But notice the CCI 400 is still trending pretty strongly downward. So if we do get a reversal here, it could stop there and reverse back down. Or it may break through there and go higher. But again, there's no guarantee where it's going to stop if it does reverse. So one step at a time. So at the moment, both US and Brent Crude are showing a pretty bearish outlook on all time frames, with the exception of this divergence on the hourly time frame on both charts. So if you got value out of the video, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.